Hello, welcome to Fitous Thai Kitchen. Today we're going to make, we call MIANG KHAM. Okay, we have the sauce done, it's nice. And now the filling. Okay, this one, the grated coconut we get from Thailand, of course you cannot get from here. Then I show you how to make. The quality is quite similar. You use the desiccated coconut, this one, and you roast in the pan. You can get a nice smell, nice taste, and fresh. You roast only a few minutes.
But this one is nice.
When if you put like this, also the same. Yeah, I try. Yeah, the quality the same. Even you get from Thailand like this, you have to roast a bit more. Can get more nice smell. Now you see the color turn. Yeah. Okay. Now you get the nice color and nice smell. You really smell coconut. And this one I compare. Yeah, this one from Thailand I still have to roast a little bit more. You put in the pan only one or 2 minutes. This one all the filling to wrap and eat with the sauce. Yeah, just the wok to make sure it's clean and hot. But not burn, yeah, don't burn it.
Okay.
We have coconut, dry shrimp, roast peanut, ginger, shallot, chilli, and a sliced small pieces of clean lamb. But don't forget to wash it first because we eat with the skin. And the most important is the leaf, what we call this leaf. In Thai we call bai chapru. In English, I don't know what is called in English. They must have the word. If you don't get in this country, you use spring green. Yeah, or use the beyond the green one to wrap. And how, this one you can make red curry with the mussel.
What's that, like gang tepo, is it?
Something like that. But you take one by one. And you wash it first. Soak in the water first. Prepare all this one, but this one I put in the bowl. You can compare, yeah. And we slice the clean lamb into the small pieces. Slice to the square. Okay, I think this one is enough. And also ginger, slice in the square one like a small dice. and chilli. And shallot. Also the slice in the square, the small pieces. Dry shrimp, roast peanut, and this one we put separate, yeah. And then after wash this one, I take it out. I know how to dry this one. Shortcut. Use the slat spinner. นี่
เก่งมาก
นี่ just spin. Emergency brake. This one can keep for quite some
When
time.
you wash it, look like the leaf get bigger, no?
No, because fresh. The leaf get hard, yeah, and fresh. That's why you feel the leaf getting bigger. Okay. You can put like this. Okay. It doesn't look nice.
Get the sauce. Okay guys, so we're gonna try this MIANG KHAM. I first tried this, God, it must be 17 years ago, 18 years ago, and it's one of my favorite snacks. And you know, it's full of umami, it's tangy, spicy, it's got everything going for it. Just takes a bit of prep, and then you really need to get your sauce on point. So I'm going to show you how to do this. So we're going to take our leaf. We've got two different types of coconut. We've got toasted desiccated coconut that you can get here very easily, and this is grated coconut from Thailand. It's been toasted in Thailand, and then we just toast it again just for a short time to bring out the flavour again. They're quite similar but different. I'd say this one's a bit more nutty, bit of a longer flavour, but both are nice. Just depends what you can get. So I'm going to put a bit of everything in there. Some toasted nuts, lime, ginger, shallots, chilli, and then some of the all-important sauce. And then you're just gonna parcel that all up. That is very, very good. But you just got a lot going on flavour-wise in this, and it's just incredibly Moorish. I remember the first time I had this, we'd gone to visit a Thai friend of ours who's got a restaurant, or had a restaurant, And it was the first time I had this, and I was just like, oh my god, this is amazing. Just so good. And it's just really punchy, and it's so simple. I mean, obviously the sauce really brings the flavors all together, because all of the flavors, all the ingredients are kind of mirrored in the sauce to make that sauce stronger, the flavor profile. But it's so good. So give that a go, let us know how you get on, and we'll see you next week. Thanks now, bye.